Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian Frugal Mom. Today I'm showing you how I've organized my fridge. First I'm going to show you my freezer compartment. I keep some extra space so that I can store the extra things in the freezer. I don't overcrowd my freezer. I have lined the shelf with this liner, and in this I have dry yeast. These boxes are to store the meat, and I usually store all my cream in this box. And in this I have stored pizza cheese, and in this box again I store meat. And on this shelf I have all the sujis, all the dry herbs. I usually store all these things in the freezer to retain the freshness. In this shelf I have stored all the dry fruits and cheese and everything, and behind that also I have few more dry fruits like dry melon seeds and dry pomegranate seeds. And in this easy slide shelf I have this basket. In this I have all the condiments like cheese spread, srikhand, pickle, butter and everything. This is coriander and green chili. And in these boxes I have tamarind pulp and green chili paste. And this shelf is for the leftover food. And in this basket I store extra milk packets and curd packets. And in this drawer I have lemon. I store egg in this box. And in this basket I have tomatoes. And in this drawer I store all the flours and extra vegetables and everything. This is my extra ginger garlic paste. This is coriander, and this I have green chilies, capsicums and other vegetables. I store everything in zip pouch bags. I store all the flours, extra flours in the fridge to retain the freshness, and I have labeled it. I keep all the besan, maida, rice flour, ragi flour, bajra, everything in the fridge. I store all the vegetables in these zip pouch bags. And on this side I have water bottles, this is homemade Szechuan sauce, mayonnaise, and then again ginger garlic paste. And on the bottom shelf I have fruit crush, squashes and red chili sauce and tomato sauce, green chili sauce and everything like that. I have very minimum and few things in the fridge. I don't overcrowd my fridge. This is the way I have organized my fridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.